Hi friends, how are you all? I hope you people are pretty fine and good. God bless you. Always be happy in your life. Always be keep smile. So dear friends and dear subscribers, today you will see in this video most beautiful and stylish. You will see in this video stylish girls nail art ideas. Marvelous and stylish, you will see unique 40 plus modern girls nail art, nail polish and unique girls nail cutting designs. So dear friends and dear subscribers, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon you will get notifications of all of my videos and you will never miss any videos and any collection on my channel. Today you will see in this videos very attractive and very stylish modern girls nail polish designs. If you like my videos, so viewers, please download it my videos, and you like this one stylish nail art idea, so take a screenshot and save your mobile. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in this videos. Dear viewers, do you have new ideas of unique girls nail art ideas? So viewers, please tell me in the comment section. To tell me how was my video. So I always try to bring modern beautiful girls nail cutting ideas. So dear viewers, I have uploaded plain and printed nail art, negative space nail art, summer seasons nail art, minimal treatment nail art, manicure nail art, and you will see very outstanding and very stylish attractive different girls nail polish designs. Today you will see in this videos very beautiful and very stylish unique girls nail cutting designs. So dear viewers, please visit my YouTube channel, check the all videos, check the playlist videos, and get amazing ideas of modern, stylish, beautiful girls nail cutting designs. So I hope you like my videos friends. I hope you enjoy my videos. So these are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in this videos. So dear viewers, I always try to bring new, modern, unique girls nail polish design. So I will meet you in next videos. So take care friends. Allah Hafiz. You will see